It's that time again. We're back in the physical therapy clinic and we're going to be working on helping a client get down safely on the ground so that we can work on getting back up at home. Now you can see here we're using the AX15, by far my favorite floor lift chair. In most videos you're going to see this chair being used to help individuals get up from the ground, but in physical therapy we're actually using it more often to get patients down on the ground safely. Now, as a home unit, this can absolutely be used by caregivers or family members who need to help someone get up off the ground after a non-emergency fall. But for someone who just wants the independence of getting down on the ground on their own, this is a great option. This is for people who want to do things on the floor. We want the independence to get down safely and get back up. So here we go. In this video, I am showing my client what we're going to do. I'm explaining the procedure and the sequence so there's no surprises. This is an individual who has been working with us for years now. I'm showing her how she's going to scoot off of the chair. We're going to roll toward the non-surgical hip so that as she moves toward the kitchen sink, that's a strong, stable surface, she'll transition over onto the hands and knees, grab onto the sink, put the non-surgical foot forward, then pull herself up to standing. At this point, she's never done this before. She has no idea if she's even capable of doing it, but that's why we practice in the clinic, so that we're in a controlled environment. And I told her, if you get stuck, no big deal. We'll use the chair to help you get back up. As you watch her, she's going to scoot forward. This works on core strengthening, shoulder stability. Then she's going to turn toward her non-surgical hip so that she can reach up toward the kitchen sink, which is strong, stable surface. She goes to double kneeling to 1 foot up, then she levers herself up, and she is standing. That was amazing. You can't see the smile on her face, but this is what's so rewarding about being a physical therapist.